Alright, hello. This is a quick video on how to upload a video from your computer to YouTube. I've provided some other resources about screencasting, which is what I'm doing right now, and how you can attach things to Google Classroom, and I'll do one on how you can upload videos to Google Drive as well, and you can try them. I've had various experiences with students being able to access Google Drive, like my videos from Google Drive. So YouTube usually works the best, but if you don't feel comfortable or whatever, go ahead and give it a try and you can get feedback from your students. Anyway, everyone through their SGMS account as teachers has a YouTube channel already. So you go to your little waffle menu, you just scroll down till you find YouTube, and you're going to want to make sure you're signed in to your SGMS teacher account. So it'll take you to your YouTube page, and then you can curate your videos, your subscriptions and things like that, your library, the things you've saved. And you can add videos from anywhere in YouTube to your Google Classroom and use those too. This is just for if you have a video or screencast that you've made and saved to your computer. This is how you add it. So you just go to Create Video and you go to Upload Video. You'll get this screen and you can drag and drop the file in, or you can just say Select File. So you want to find where you've saved it. Probably my downloads. Yeah, there it is, day in the life. I'm going to upload this video. So you click Open. It will upload it. You can do a description about what it is. This is what the file name will be called. There's lots of options, but frankly you don't really need to do any of them. If it's made specifically for kids, you can say yes, and you can put age restrictions on it, which we don't really need to do. And then you just click Next. You don't really have to add any of the stuff. I never do. Just click Next. If you want all your kids to be able to find it on, like anyone could see it if they went to your YouTube channel, you would click Public. I usually do Unlisted just because, unless it's like SGMS News or something that I really want everyone to see all the time, then I set it as public, but I usually just do Unlisted because I don't really want everyone watching my stuff all the time. It's still processing the video, and you click Save. It will process it. Once it's done, it's done processing, you can click Close, and you should be able to see your video. It's unlisted. And then if you want to view it on YouTube, you can. And then this is the URL that you would save, so you can just Control-C, copy it, or right-click, copy, Control-C. And then go to, my computer's running really slow today. You just go to Classroom. Go into the class that you wanna, well, you can share it to all your classes actually. So say you wanted to, and this is in a lot of how you upload stuff and add things to. This is like that additional step. If you want kids to be able to turn in something with the video, you would do it as an assignment. If you want them to just have the video to watch, it's basically the same no matter what you do. You would just name it and do a description and click Add, and then you would do YouTube, and you can just paste the URL in and it will find your video. Oh, there it is, and you add it, and then students have access to the video. You would make sure that when you're done, it's not going to let me do any of this. You have to have a title, and then you would click Post, and there's your video. Kids will be able to see that you've posted it. So that's how you upload a video to YouTube and add it to your Google Classroom.